How to pay Prizepicks taxes. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to pay taxes on your Prizepicks earnings. Understanding your tax obligation is essential for compliance and to avoid future issues. While this guide will help clarify the process, it is important to consult a licensed tax professional for personalized advice. Actually, as you can see in the video, this is where you get answers, but I'm just going to tell you to understand by saying the question and answer to know which one is a question and an answer, so I'll start the question. The question is, do I need to pay taxes on my Prizepicks winnings? The answer is, the Internal Revenue Service requires a completed 1099 MISC form from members who accumulate $600 or more in net winnings, not total payouts, for the calendar year January 1 to December 31. This amount is taxed as other income. Members who meet or exceed the $600 threshold will receive a 1099 MISC form from Prizepicks. The question is, what if I exceeded $600 in net winnings, but I didn't withdraw any funds? The answer is, even if you didn't withdraw your winnings, you will still be sent a 1099 MISC form to complete with the winnings classified as other income. The question is, how do I request a 1099 MISC form? The answer is, you don't have to request a 1099 form. If our records show that you have exceeded $600 in net winnings for the calendar year, we will automatically upload your 1099 MISC form to the tax information section of your Prizepicks account. If we do not have all your necessary information on file, example your current address or social security number, we will request that information from you and then upload your 1099 MISC form. The question is, when will I receive my 1099 MISC form? The answer is, most people's 1099 MISC form for the previous year will be uploaded in February. The question is, where can I access my 1099 MISC form? The answer is, you can access your 1099 MISC form on the Prizepicks website via the tax information option in your drop-down menu. We will also send a physical copy in the mail to the address associated with your account. You can expect to receive both the digital and physical versions in February. The question is, what should I do if my net winnings surpass $600 for the previous calendar year, but I didn't receive a 1099 MISC form? The answer is, if you haven't received a 1099 MISC form for the previous year by the end of February and believe you should have, please reach out to live support. The question is, does Prizepicks have any resources to provide tax support or advice? The answer is no. Prizepicks does not provide tax support. While we aim to give as much helpful information as possible, none of our online resources are intended to be used as official tax advice. Please consult a tax advisor if you have any questions about how playing Prizepicks may impact your personal tax situation. Paying taxes on your Prizepicks earnings is a crucial aspect of responsible gambling. Remember to determine whether your earnings are taxable, gather accurate records, and report them correctly on your tax return. For any complex tax situations, always seek guidance from a licensed tax professional to ensure compliance and accuracy in your filings.